Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a short little easy food hack video for you. I'm going to show you how to make overnight pickles and to stretch your dollars further, or whatever currency you use. And it's just super really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. So let's say you buy your favorite pickles at the store. I love dill pickles, and this is going to be a dill pickle hack. And if you don't want to go through the whole process of traditional pickling, there's an easy thing that you can do to stretch those dollars from the pickles that you already bought. And so I have this jar here, and then once you are finished eating the pickles in the jar, don't throw out the pickling liquid that is in there. A lot of times people just pour that out, or if you're like me, you'll drink it. Sometimes I do. It's actually good for you. It's good, the probiotics. I don't like chug it, but if you do a couple tablespoons of the pickle juice, it's actually pretty good for your gut. Gut health 101. And so you have this jar, and then what we're going to do is we're going to cut up this cucumber. I washed the cucumber first, and you could use traditional pickling cucumbers, or you can just use a normal cucumber. A lot of times I'll just use a normal cucumber, and then just go ahead and cut this up. You can cut it up into spears, or just do it into little chips. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take that jar of pickling liquid, just our other jar of pickles, and we'll just put these cucumber slices in there. Maybe I'll cut some more. Put some more in there. And then we'll give it a good shake. And then this will just go back in the refrigerator and just give it 24 hours, and then you'll have brand new pickles. And these are going to be really nice and crisp. Here is some that I've had going for a while. Super nice and crisp. And you can reuse the store-bought pickling liquid 3 or 4 times, and after that it's going to start to lose its potency, and so you can add some more vinegar to it, but then after a while you're just going to need to replace the liquid completely with your own homemade liquid, or do like traditional pickles. And at some point I'll do traditional pickles here on my channel. But I just wanted to show a quick little easy trick to make some overnight pickles and to make those dollars go a little bit further. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.